Hi friends, welcome. In first tutorial, I explained about line, polyline or circle. This is the draw panel. We are in the draw panel now. There is many commands here. This is modify panel. After that, annotation, layers, block, properties, groups or many more. We already know that about line, polyline or circle. In this video, I will explain about the arc command. That's the very useful command. It's used anywhere in our drawing when we make the mechanical or civil any drawing. There is many options here: 3 point, start, center, end, start, center, angle, start, center, length, start, end, angle, direction, and radius, many more. 3 points. Arc. Specify a start point of arc. Just I will hide the grip. Okay. Specify a start point of arc. This is your drawing area. This is the model space where we draw our drawing. You can see also layout 1, layout 2. This is layout 1. This is the model space where you are. Okay. 3 point. You can see near your cursor it's showing a specify a start point of arc. This is the start point of arc. Then second point of arc. Wherever I will click in this, anywhere, it will be second point of arc, this one. Then end point. If I will click here, it will become end point. Here end point, here end point. If I want this one, this is the end point. So this is the 3 point arc. Next one we have a start, center, end. Start, I want this is the center of arc. Then end point. So it will move according this center, the arc, this center. When I will click, you can see it's degree also, right? It's showing in the cursor. If I will click here, this is the end point. Next, start, center and angle. Start, this is the center. I want the angle 120 degree. Enter. So this arc with 120 degree angle. Next one, start, end, direction. Start, end, radius. Start, this is the end point. I want the radius 200. Enter. So this arc with 200 radius. Next one, center, start, end. This is the center, this is a start, or this is end. This is the arc. Next one, center, start, angle. Center, start, or this is my angle. I want 130, like this. You can try this one, center, start, length or continuous. Next, there is the rectangle command. Rectangle or polygon. Rectangle. Specify first corner point. Whenever this is our drawing area, I will click here. This is the first corner. Now we want the length. Shift @ I want the rectangle 10 by 20. 10, comma 20. Enter. Because we already don't know the I did not set the units, that's why it's the limits, that's why it's looking very small. So this is the rectangle 10 by 20. We can measure it. 10, 20. Next one, polygon. Enter the number of sides. I want 5 sides. Enter center of polygon. Inscrew right. Enter. Radius I want 50. So this is the polygon with the 50 radius. For this one we will use the aligned to measure the dimension. Align. So it will be perfectly. Next one we have ellipse command. Ellipse just shake like an egg. Center of ellipse, this is the center. End point of axis, 10 units. Then specify distance of other axis. Other axis distance I want 11. So this is the ellipse. Next one, axis and end. Specify axis end point of ellipse. Other end point of axis 10 units. The specified distance to the other axis, this distance from center. This distance will measure from the center. I want 5 or 7 or 8 like this. This is our ellipse. Next one, elliptical arc. Axis end point or elliptical arc. Other end point of axis 10 units. Distance to other axis from center 4 units. This is the ellipse. Start angle, whenever you like, this is. Next we have hatch command. I have this rectangle. I want to hatch here. I will delete this one. I want hatch. Hatch command. So it's asking pick the internal point of. I have to hatch here. First we will select the design, what we like to hatch. There is here many options here. Many options. You can see. If I prefer this one, click this one here, it will be hatched like this. Again, I will take hatch, or I will like another design like this one or this one. This is the hatch command. I don't like this one, I will delete. Hatch command. Pattern by layer, angle, hatch transparency, match proof. You can try here many things like this. Click this one. Okay, this is the hatch command. Next is the move command. or when we will come here draw panel, we have also more command. This is the SP line, this one SP line, this is construction line, this one ray, this one multiple points, divide for the line, divide, measure, this one for the region. If you have a boundary like this and you want to region this one, come here, region, select object, enter. I will explain again. Okay. This one already region created. Yeah. I will explain about on the 3D when we use the glass of the window. So we use this region command. Okay. Next one is the move command. It's used to move the things or object from one place to another place. Move command, select object, enter, base point, or we can move it here from there. If you want the certain distance, just like 10 units, 20 units, select object, base point, or this side 5. So it will move 5 units. Select object, base point, I want to move this one 50 units, enter. So it will move 50 units. If you want to move this one from here to here, move, select object, base point, I want the 100 units or 200, 300 I like. So it will move 300 units from here to here. We can move it. Next one is the copy. It's just copy used for to make the duplicates object. You want to copy this object many times, so I will use the copy command. Copy, select object, enter, base point. So we can use many. Is like this. It's copy. Next one is stretch. We can stretch the object. Next one is the rotate. We can rotate by rotate command. Base point, want minus 90 degree. Enter, so it will rotate in 90 degree. And to right side minus, left side no need to minus. If you want to rotate again, rotate, base point 90 degree. So it will become back its original position. Next one is the mirror command. That's the very useful. If you have object like this, and you want the same object this side also, so no need to create it again, you can use the mirror command. Mirror command, select object, base point, go up, erase the source object. You want to erase this one, if you want to you can select yes, or it's already select default no. I will enter, so it will be mirror this one. Next is the scale command. It's the very useful. If I have one rectangle 10 by 20 or 10 by 10, shift at the rate 10, comma 10, 10 units. I want to scale by 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. scale command, select object, this point, so it will be go this side, not this side. I want 5 units, enter. Now it will become 50 by 50. We can measure. So it's 50 units. Okay. Next one is the trim command. Trim or extend. That's also very useful. If I have line like this, I have to trim, or I have line like this, and I have to trim or extend. So I will go first here, trim command, right click, this one trim, and I have to extend this line. It was only trim command, and I have to extend the line, so we will use the extend command. Extend, right click, extend. It will automatically, when you see, when I put the cursor, it's automatically extended the line, also this line. Next we have fillet chamfer. That's also very important. I want to fillet this corner. Select the fillet command, select object, fillet command, the radius. I want the radius 5 units. When I will select the object to fillet, this one, it will filleted. You can see this one filleted. Next one, I want chamfer. Chamfer command. I want to chamfer this line. So I will go to distance, undo polyline. Polyline means it's 1 times 4 side. Distance, angle, or trim, or method, or multiple. So I will go to distance. I want the first chamfer distance 3 units. Enter. Second one I want 5 units, or 4 units, or 2 units. I want 5 units. Enter. When I will select this one, it's first one. It's second one. So it's chamfer. This is called chamfer. Next one, this one, the array command. That's also very important. It's save our time. So I am here. I will take one object. I have this circle with 300 units. Okay. I will take another also one small circle here from this center. Take this one 50 units or 100. 50. Take also another small circle here as randomly 10 units. Okay. I want to array, or otherwise I will put this one not here. I will make this circle here. $25 units. Okay. I want to this circle put all the sides of this circle array. We will select the array command. Polar or rectangular. Polar. Select object. Which one I have to array? Right click or enter. Center. This center. Now I want the how many items I need. I need the 20 items. Enter. This is the array command. Next one is the rectangular array. If I have circle like this, I have rectangle. This is the rectangle. I want to array this rectangle. So I will select the array command. It's a rectangular array. Select object, It's asking me column how many you need, row how many you need, label how many, or distance between total, or between total. I will put the how many I need. I want 10. Then rows how many I need. I want 8. So this is the rectangular array. Next one is the path array. It's also very important. If I have a line or rectangle, anything like this, I want array, want anything array here. Okay, path array. Sorry, it will not be fixed here. It will be like this. Okay, I want the path array. Path array, select object, right click, path, this one. Here you can fix the item, how many you want, or how many rows, items, or select the group to edit the array, or you can also select this group, or you can edit this one, items, or you can make the more what you like. You can do it by yourself. Row count how many, like this. Next one, erase command. If you have any object and you draw it or you don't like this one, if you want to erase, you can use erase command. Select object, enter, it will be erased. Explode command. If you have this object, so one time select, you want to explode this one, select object, right click, so now it's exploded. Next one, you have the offset command. That's the very important offset. If I have line, I want the same line at a distance of 10 units or 100 or 500 or any dimension. We can use offset command. Distance, I want 50 units. Enter, select object to offset. To 50 units. This one. This is offset 50 units. We have also here many commands: change space, lengthen, edit polyline, edit spline, edit hatch, edit array, or align, break, bracket point, join, revolve, copy nested object, delete duplicate object, bring to front. So it was the modify panel and this one draw panel. Now you know that modify or draw or modify. Thanks for watching and see you again. Please subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends or your relatives, or tell them to also share with their friends or anyone. So watch more and subscribe more, and I want your comment. Thanks for watching. See you again.